C-Bus.
Hi, so we are starting a new project today. It's a pretty good sized landscape or hardscape project. And what we're doing here is we're going to basically rebuild this patio. And we're going to increase the size of it. Customer already had a patio put in probably a dozen years ago to extend the existing concrete over here. So they cut these rubber mats. We're just staging the area today. We're going to start demo, and we're going to rebuild this basically so it's one surface, and it's more attractive, more up to date, but more or less with a couple changes and a couple add-ons, it's going to be a rebuild or almost a duplicate. But the problem is, we need one consistent surface so that they can put all their patio furniture and stuff on here. They have a bunch of new patio furniture that they got recently. It's sitting over there. We've moved it already. And then we're going to create something that looks a lot more attractive, to complement this pool area. So we've just gotten started. I'll try to take some short videos in between each step that we're working on. Kind of show you how it goes, let you know how we're going to go about it. There's going to be some pavers, some demo, some wall construction. And we're going to get to it. This is a big project. We're going to be on it for a while, so keep watching.